So we're talking about different options today for Sweet Home Chicago, because as a class, we're going to come up with an introduction and an ending, and I wanted to offer an idea for us to think about. We're in the key of A. This is what it looks like. I tried to slide into that one. So let me tell you what I'm doing. This particular way of doing it, I'm finger picking. And I've got my fingers in my finger picking position. And the two strings that we're only plucking two strings. And I'll tell you what the strings are. It's the C string and it's the E string. So it's these two fingers. Oh, look, I'm giving you the finger here. I'm not. I'm not. It's these two fingers here. Okay? The finger that plucks the C and the finger that plucks the A. Those are the only two strings we're playing. And on the left hand, I'm going to tell you what the form looks like. Form looks like a D7 form, but in a different place. So we're going to go to the 4th fret and play that D7 form on the C string and the A string. And then this is a chromatic form, which means it's the same form. We're just going to move down a half step, which would be 1 fret at a time. So we start on the 4th fret, 3rd fret, 2nd fret, and then an A chord. So we don't slide to the 1st fret. So it's the 1st fret, 3rd fret, 2nd fret, then an A chord. So in context, like, okay, well, how do we fit this into the contours of the rhythm of the song? One idea that I came up with was 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. You notice I corrected my fingering with my left hand. I thought, well, my fingering's really messed up here. What would be a better way of doing this? And just looking at where we're landing on an A chord. I thought the best fingering would be, this is left hand now, a middle finger and ring finger. So the middle finger's on the C string and my ring finger's on the A string, because then I'm in a much better position to grab that A chord. So let's try that one more time. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And strum 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now, a little fancy that we can throw in is to slide up to that 4th fret. I do not have this technique quite under my fingers yet. Maybe I hit it 70% of the time. This is going to take a lot of woodshedding where we aim for our goal, which in this particular instance is that 4th fret. So, in other words, I'm plucking and my fingers are actually on the 3rd fret or the 2nd fret, depending on how long you want that slide. You could actually start it on the 3rd fret. Can you hear that? If I start on the 2nd fret, a little bit more oomph, a little harder to do. So let's try it together one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1.